Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate histograms in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, the variables are divided into two zones. This is the zone of dimension. Basically, dimensions are those variables which are categorical. And this is the zone of measures. Measures are continuous variable. Click on Show Me and click over your mouse on histogram. It will indicate that for plotting a histogram, at least one measure is necessary. So I'll pick up the quantity from here and drop it in the canvas. Now I'll click on the histogram and histogram is ready. Now as soon as I plot the histogram, quantity which was continuous variable, which was in measure, creates the new variable that is quantity bin. This was not there previously, but after plotting the histogram, it has generated. Now you click here and press on edit button. You can see here that the class interval is from 0 to 1.77. We want to change the class interval. So I will make this class interval 3. Click OK. And you can see the class interval is 3. Now I will hover my mouse here on the axis. Double click on it. A window will appear. Click on the tick marks. Make it fix. Now what is our intention? Let us try to understand. Our intention is that there were numbers which were available here. We don't want that numbers. We want the numbers only at the where the class interval ends. So our class is of 3. So I'll enter 3 here and you can see that now we are having 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 12 to 15. Now, is it possible to include one more measure in this histogram? Is it possible or not? Let us see. I'll pick up profit from here and drop it in the color. So you can see now that the dark color represents good profit, and here the losses are there. So this is the zone of quantity in which our profits are maximum. Now, can I divide this histogram according to the segments or not? So I'll pick up a segment from here and drop it into the columns. So you can see I got 3 histograms, one for consumer, corporate, and home office. Is it possible to include one more dimension? Let's see. I'll introduce the category from here into the rows. So I'll get 9 histograms. So we can very easily point out that where we are doing good. For example, this here, our profits are 2,205, where quantity is highest. That is that the consumer and the category is furniture. The consumer segment and category is furniture, and sales are, sorry, the quantity is highest and profits is 2,205. Similarly, if we talk about consumer segment and office supplies, so here the quantity is 1,510 and the profit is 33,029. So this is a way you can generate histograms in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.